Okay, myself J. Bhargav. I am from CSC department. Today, today we are going to discuss Booth's algorithm. Right? So here, Booth's algorithm in the sense multiplication operation with two's complement representation. Right? Multiplication operation with two's complement representation, that is called multiplication algorithm or Booth's algorithm. Right? So here we are taking the same two registers, that is called multiplicand and that's known as BR register. So multiplicand is stored in BR register and multiplier stored in QR register. For example, if you are taking the two operands, that is called -5 into -6, here -5 into -6, right? So here -5 is the multiplicand and -6 is the multiplier, right? So here the -5 is stored in BR and -6 is stored in QR. Okay, right? So we are stored in -5 is stored in BR register, -6 is stored in QR register. That is called multiplicand and multiplier, right? So that is, and the next one is, this is the initialization part, right? This is the initialization part, right? So what is the initialization part? So here initially 0 is assigned to AC register and again QN plus 1. Here QN plus 1 is assigned to 0 is assigned to QN plus 1 and N is assigned to SC. SC stands for sequence counter. So what is sequence counter in the sense? Number of bits in multiplier, not multiplicand. Okay, number of bits in multiplier, not multiplicand. That is called sequence counter. And QN plus 1 in the sense. So already you know what is QN. What is QN? So tell me anyone, what is QN? So what is QN plus 1 in the sense? Previous least significant bit of multiplier. For example, just I am taking 1 0 1 0. This is called multiplier, right? 1 0 1 0 0. So here what is a QN value? 0. What is the QN value is 0 and QN plus 1 in the sense previously significant bit of multiplier. So here initially QN plus 1 is equal to 0. The next QN value is equal to 0. Next QN plus 1 equal to 0. Next QN plus 1 equal to 1. Next QN plus 1 equal to 0. Next QN plus 1 equal to 0. Sorry, 1. Right? So QN is least significant bit of multiplier. QN plus 1 is previously significant bit of multiplier. So initially QN plus 1 equal to 0. Initially QN plus 1 equal to 0. Says don't worry how to calculate QN plus 1. Already you know what is QN value. What is QN value is no. And what is how to find the QN plus 1 is previously significant bit of multiplier, that is called QN plus 1. Is it clear all of you? Yes, coming to the point. So here the every time to check QN comma QN plus 1. So in Booth's algorithm there are three conditions are there. So what are the three conditions? If you are observing the recorded table, so if it is 0 0, what is the output? 0. If it is 1 1, what is the output? 0. If it is -1, if it is 0 1, what is the output? +1. What is the output? +1. Right? If it is 1 0, then what is the output? -1. Right? So there are three conditions are there, one for 0, another for -1, another for +1, right? So here 0 0 in the sense 0 0 or 1 1, that is one condition, and 0 1 is one condition, 1 0 is one condition. So in the same manner, yes, in the same manner, so if qn comma qn plus 1 is 1 0, qn is equal to 1, qn plus 1 equal to 0, then go to choose this way, then go to this way, right? So if it is 0 1, if it is 0 1, then go to this way, right? If it is 0 1, then go to this way. If it is 0 0 or 1 1, then go to this way, then go to this way. Okay, all of you, right? So there are totally three conditions are there, qn comma qn plus 1, qn comma qn plus 1, qn plus 1, right? So qn comma qn plus 1, so qn comma qn is 0, qn plus 1 is 0. So then what will you do? Arithmetic shift right operation for AC and QR register, arithmetic shift right operation for AC and QR register, then decrement the sequence counter and to check the sequence counter, right? So here okay, right? So after decrement the sequence counter and to check the sequence counter, if it is 0, then go to end. If it is not equal to 0, then this process is continue until sequence counter equal to 0. If in case qn is equal to 1, qn plus 1 equal to 0, then what will you do? Add AC plus BR, right? And the result is transferred to AC. Add AC and BR and the result is transferred to AC. After performing this and to perform the arithmetic shift right operation, for AC and QR, and to decrement the sequence counter and to check the sequence counter. If it is 0 1, if the qn comma qn plus 1 is 0 1, and to add AC and BR, addition of AC and BR, and the result is transferred to AC. After adding these two and to perform shift right operation for AC and QR and decrement the sequence counter and check the sequence counter, right? So if it is 0, then go to end. If it is not equal to 0, again this process is continue until sequence counter equal to 0. So that is the flow chart. Okay, is it clear all of you? Calculate qn comma qn plus 1. So qn equal to least significant bit of multiplier, qn plus 1 equal to previous least significant bit of multiplier. qn is already you know how to calculate qn, right? So how to calculate qn is already you know. What is qn in the sense? Least significant bit of multiplier. What is qn plus 1 in the sense? Previous least significant bit of multiplier, right? So if it is 1 0, then choose this way. If it is 0 1, then choose this way. If it is 0 0 or 1 1, then choose this way. After choosing this any one point, after decrement the sequence count, just decrement the sequence counter. After decrement the sequence counter to check the sequence counter, right? If it is 0, then go to end. If it is not equal to 0, this process is continue until sequence counter equal to 0. The same thing, right? So just to follow the flow chart, that's enough. Is it okay? Right. So coming to the example point of view, so let's take the let's take the two operands, that is called minus 9 into minus 13, right? Minus 9 into minus 13. So here how to find the binary number for minus 9, right? So write the binary number for 9 and write the two, find the 2's complement of 9, right? So here the after finding the 2's complement of 9, so what is the value for this? 10111, right? So minus 13, same story. So here find out the 13 binary number, right, and find the 2's complement of 13, right? So what is the value for minus 13? 10011, 10011. So this is stored in this 1011, 10111 is stored in BR register. So 10011, 10011 is stored in QR register, right? So this is called multificand, this is called multifier, okay, right? And coming to the example point of view, so this is initialization. So this is our initialization, right? So here the first one is Qn comma Qn plus 1, and the next one is BR, and the next one is AC. Initially we are taking AC is 0, all zeros, and this one is QR, and this is a multificand, this is multifier. QR is BR is a multificand, QR is a multifier, and write the Qn plus 1 and the sequence counter. So tell me anyone, what is the, how to find the sequence counter? What is the Qn plus 1? The value of Qn plus 1 is 0, right? So here the same as, so here that's why Qn is equal to 1, Qn plus 1 is equal to 0. Qn is equal to 1, Qn plus 1 is equal to 0. So here according to flow chart, Qn value 1, Qn plus 1 equal to 0. Then what will you do? So to see this flow chart, if it is 1 0, if it is 1 0, then what will you do? If it is 1 0, then what will you do? Add A plus B, add AC plus BR, AC plus BR, and the result is transferred to AC, okay, right? So add AC plus BR, okay, right? So add AC plus, sorry, BR bar plus 1, BR bar plus 1 అంటే BR కి 2's complement find out చేయండి. So find the 2's complement of BR, okay, find the 2's complement of BR. So find the 2's complement of BR. So how to find the 2's complement of BR? So అంటే 10111 కి 2's complement ఏమొస్తుంది? Right, for example, so what is the BR? 1011. సో దీనికి 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ చేసామనుకోండి ఏమొస్తుంది? 0100. సో దీనికి 1 యాడ్ చేసామనుకోండి, దీనికి 1 యాడ్ చేసామనుకోండి ఏమొస్తుంది? 0101. What is the BR value? Okay, sorry. What is the BR value? What is the BR value? 10111, right? So find the 2's complement of this. Yes, దీనికి 2's complement చేసామనుకోండి ఏమొస్తుంది? 01000. సో దీనికి 1 యాడ్ చేసామనుకోండి, 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? 01001. So this is the 0 1 0 0 1. So this is the 0 1 0 0 1, right? To add these two, okay, right? So 0 1 is 1, 0 0 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 0 0 is 0. Okay, right? So according to flow chart, after performing AC plus B bar plus 1, then what will you do? Arithmetic shift right operation for AC and QR. So arithmetic shift right operation in the sense, so arithmetic shift right operation in the sense, so how to fill the vacant bit in arithmetic shift right operation? So arithmetic shift right operation lo vacant position ela fill chestam manam? Filled with 0. So arithmetic shift right operation in the sense, so here this bit is shifted to here, 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 and as well as this bit is shifted to here, and this bit is shifted to here, and as well as this bit is shifted to here. So this one and this one. So ఈ బిట్ అనేది వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, అంటే లాస్ట్ బిట్ అనేది వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో హియర్ దిస్ బిట్ is shifted to here, రైట్? సో హియర్ లాస్ట్ బిట్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి, సో ఇక్కడ ఈ వేకెంట్ పొజిషన్లో ఎలా ఫిల్ చేస్తాం మనం? వేకెంట్ పొజిషన్ ఈజ్ ఫిల్డ్ విత్ vacant position filled with 0. Vacant position filled with 0, right? So after performing the arithmetic shift right operation, what is the AC value? According to this flow chart, after performing the shift right operation, so then what will you do? Decrement the sequence counter. So what is the before sequence counter? 5. And what is the after sequence counter? Is 4, right? So here the sequence counter is 4, right? So the sequence counter is 4. Okay, 4. So here how to find the qn plus 1? ఇక్కడ 1 అనేది ఎలా వచ్చింది అంటే, సో హియర్ qn plus 1 ఈజ్ ప్రీవియస్ లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ మల్టిఫైర్. సో ఇప్పుడు qn వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 1 వస్తుంది. అంటే ఫస్ట్ qn plus 1 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 తీసుకుంటాము. నెక్స్ట్ qn plus 1 వాల్యూ వచ్చేసరికి లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ మల్టిఫైర్ తీసుకుంటాం, అంటే 1. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇనీషియల్లీ qn plus 1 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. నెక్స్ట్ qn plus 1 ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమొస్తుంది? నెక్స్ట్ qn plus 1 ఈక్వల్ టు qn వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇయర్ qn వాల్యూ ఎంత? qn వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. qn వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు qn plus 1 ఈక్వల్ టు 1. సో అగైన్ టు చెక్ ద వాల్యూ qn comma qn plus 1. So here what is the qn value? Previous next least significant bit anta? 1. So here 1. ఇక్కడ qn plus 1 equal to ఎంత వచ్చింది? ఇక్కడ qn plus 1 equal to ఎంత వచ్చింది? 1. So here 1 1. So qn equal to 1, qn plus 1 equal to 1. So according to flow chart, so q1, if it is 1 1 or 0 0, then what will you do? Arithmetic shift right operation for AC and QR. So once again check all of you. So AC plus BR bar plus 1, ఇది కొంచెం మిస్టేక్ ఉంది. బీఆర్ బార్ ప్లస్ 1, ఏసీ ప్లస్ బీఆర్ బార్ ప్లస్ 1, ఇక్కడ ఏసీ ప్లస్ బీఆర్, ఇక్కడ ఏసీ ప్లస్ బీఆర్ బార్ ప్లస్ 1. అంటే ఏసీ మైనస్ బీఆర్ అంటే అంతే కదా. మైనస్ బీఆర్ అంటే ఏంటి? 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ బీఆర్. ఓకే, 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ బీఆర్. సో 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ బీఆర్ని ఎలా రాస్తాం మనం? బీఆర్ బార్ ప్లస్ 1. ఫస్ట్ 1's కాంప్లిమెంటు, తర్వాత 1 యాడ్ చేస్తాం కదా. సో అందుకని మనం డైరెక్ట్గా ఏసీ మైనస్ బీఆర్ అని రాసాం మనం. యాక్చువల్గా ఎలా రాయాలి మనం? యాక్చువల్గా ఎలాగా? బీఆర్ బార్ ప్లస్ 1. ఓకే, సో